It was a normal day for the pugs, but something in them knew that it was going to be an exciting day. All of them knew that, but it hadn't been exciting yet. They were thinking of what to do, but then they got a brilliant idea to go down to Earth and get some pizza. They walked into their spaceship, and right when they did that, they knew that this was going to be the exciting part of the day. They didn't know if it would be the right time to go down to Earth, but they did it anyways. They went down to Earth, and it turns out it was the wrong time. The people were awake, so they had to hide and sneak the pizza. But there was one more problem. Most of the houses had cats. The pugs hid really good so the cats wouldn't find them. They could hear the cats' footsteps coming closer and closer. And then they knew the cats were in the room with them. They were scared, but they knew they'd make it. They were super scared. The cats were looking everywhere. They were looking under the beds, in the closets, and then finally, they decided to look in the suitcase. They opened the suitcase, and the pugs ran out. The cats were mad, so the cats ran after them. The pugs ran into the spaceship, and some of the cats made it into the spaceship before the pugs took off. The pugs knew that the cats were in the spaceship, so they set traps. And the cats were hiding, and the pugs just decided to not say anything so the cats would fall for their trap. And all of a sudden, there was a big plop. Some of the cats had went towards one of the traps, and they got stuck inside. A cardboard box fell on them, and they were trapped inside. Finally, the cats escaped, and the pugs were super scared. By then, they were already on their planet. The pugs ran and ran. The cats couldn't catch up, but finally, the cats caught up. The pug took a turn around and left the cat behind, but the cat had taken one of the keys to the spaceship. So that was bad, because now the cats could use their spaceship. The pugs had only one cat friend. They decided to ask that cat friend to trick the other cats and to get the spaceship's key back. And the cat friend was gonna do it, because the cat friend liked pugs. The pugs were nice, but the other cats didn't know that. So at midnight, the cat took the spaceship there, and she went into the houses, one by one, looking for the keys. Finally, she found the keys and took them, but before leaving, she saw a pizza box, and she picked that up because she wanted to be nice to the pugs. She took the pizza box and she brought it into the spaceship with the keys. When the cat got back to the pugs' planet, the pugs were delighted to see the cat and that she had brought the keys and a pizza. All the pugs had a great big feast. They all ate lots of pizza and they were happy. The next day, the pugs got a message from the cats. The cats said that they were not going to stop battling and that the pugs were going to lose. But the pugs didn't do anything because they knew that they didn't have to do anything at that time. They knew when it came to battle, they would battle. But that time was not right now.